Hello everyone. Navigating career paths and developing the right skills are critical to personal and professional success. Yet, it's often challenging without proper guidance. Many candidates face uncertainty determining their next steps, identifying the right opportunities, or owning the skills needed to stay competitive in today's fast evolving job market. This is our problem statement, and to address this, we are excited to introduce our innovative mentoring platform designed to bridge the gap between candidates and industry experts. This platform directly connects individuals with experienced mentors who offer invaluable advice on career trajectories, skill development, and much more. So, this is our solution, Career Campus. We have created an innovative mentoring platform that connects candidates with industry experts for career and skill development. So, these are our platform features, and let's have a look at each one of them one by one.
So now let me walk you through the exciting features of our mentoring platform that make it a standout solution for career and skill development. Number first, automated calendar booking system. Our platform integrates with Calendly to automate the scheduling process. This system automatically sends reminders and prevents scheduling conflicts, making coordination of sessions effortless and ensuring a smooth user experience. Number second, in-app video meetings. Our platform offers embedded video calls, allowing users to connect seamlessly without relying on third-party tools. This integration ensures a cohesive and uninterrupted user experience. Number third, call summary. After each call, learners receive a detailed recap, and this feature helps users to refer back to key points discussed and reinforces their learning for future reference.
AI-powered chatbot. Our AI-powered chatbot provides immediate support by addressing inquiries and offering guidance. This enhancement elevates the overall educational journey by delivering quick and accurate assistance. Automated webhooks. With automated webhooks, we ensure real-time data synchronization for notifications and session updates. This integration with Twilio and server functions guarantees smooth mentor-mentee interaction. Peer-to-peer file sharing. Our secure peer-to-peer file sharing system enables the efficient exchange of materials while maintaining integrity and confidentiality. This feature facilitates seamless collaboration between users.
Live webinars and workshops. We offer interactive learning experience through live webinars and workshops. Users can engage in group discussion, receive expert advice, and participate in real-time discussion forums. Our discussion forums features the Answer and Earn system, which reward users with cryptocurrency for valuable contribution. This promotes collaboration and continuous learning through active peer and mentor engagement. Intelligent routing system. The intelligent routing system uses an advanced algorithm to automatically match candidates with the mentors based on their skills, career goals, and availability to ensure the most effective mentor connection.
AI interview-based mentor rating. Our platform uses AI to assess mentor through an initial skill interview. This rating evolves based on mentee feedback and performance, ensuring that the quality of mentorship improves continuously and remains reliable. Web3-based rewards. We have integrated a Web3-based reward system that allows learners to reward mentors with tokens. This ensures seamless, secure transaction and enhance the overall mentoring experience. Problem of the day. To promote continuous learning, we offer daily challenges tailored to the user's field of interest through our problem of the day feature. User can earn points by solving the challenges, which are redeemable for cryptocurrency. This motivates regular engagement and skill improvement.
Technical approach. Let's begin with the user. The user comes to our platform with a query. Our platform provides a query submission interface where the user enters their query or issue that requires guidance or mentoring. Once the query is submitted, it is processed for the next stage, intelligent routing. Now here comes our intelligent routing system, which is powered by AI and route mapping technology. If there are multiple mentors available on our platform, the system matches the user query to the most suitable mentor by evaluating the mentor's profile. After the mentor has been selected, the next step is to schedule the session. We integrate with the Calendly, a scheduling tool, to sync the availability of the mentor and the user. A system automatically books the session based on the mentor's availability. Once the session is scheduled, we move to the confirmation phase. Here we use custom webhook trigger to send out booking confirmations. The confirmation is sent via WhatsApp using Twilio, ensuring the user and mentor both receive instant notification. Now let's come to part of mentor. When a mentor registers on our platform, we need to verify their credential. We have a credential locking mechanism which is used to verify the mentor's corporate. The system sends an OTP to the mentor's official corporate email ID, and once they verify the OTP, we can confirm their employment status. Before the mentors can begin their session, we conduct an automated cognitive skill rating test using an AI-powered evaluation engine. This test evaluates the mentor's expertise and ensures they meet our platform standards for providing Quality mentoring. After the verification and testing, mentors are given access to the availability mapping module. This module allows mentor to set their session availability, making it easier for them to manage the schedules and book sessions with the user. Finally, once everything is set, the user and mentor connect through in-app video meeting using Video SDK with WebRTC technology. This is the complete technical approach we use for our Mentor Connect system. We have utilities like Power Chatbot, in-app meetings, problem of the day, call summary, P2P file sharing, free workshop, mentoring sessions, Web3 rewards, and discussion forums. This is the tech stack we are using. We use Web3, Node.js, Twilio, WebRTC, Firebase, Axios, AWS Lambda, WebRTC, Express, React, OpenCV, Vertex AI, Solidity, TensorFlow, and GCP. We use several model dependencies. We use React for front-end frameworks that provides a dynamic real-time user interface for mentor matching. We use Firebase to handle real-time data syncing and data collaboration. We are using AWS Lambda or GCP for serverless backends allow us to automate workflows and trigger action. We integrated Calendly to sync mentor availability seamlessly to enable smooth session scheduling. We integrating TensorFlow and Vertex AI for AI-driven mentoring and performance evaluation, ensuring accurate mentor-user connections. We are also using Webhooks to facilitate real-time data transmission between all components of the platform for a smooth and a responsive user experience.
This is the business model of our project. In the freemium version, we have real-time forum and chatbot, where users have access to our discussion forums and AI-powered chatbot for immediate support and interaction, all for free. Next, we have free group workshops. Participants can join group workshops without any charge. Limited P2P file sharing. Users can share files securely within size limits. We have one free mentoring session per month. Each user receives one free mentoring session each month. And the last is targeted advertisements. The freemium model includes ads tailored to users' interest. Now, for the premium version, these are for the users seeking a more comprehensive experience, and our premium tier offers enhanced features. The first one is unlimited mentoring session. Premium users can access unlimited mentoring sessions, providing greater flexibility and support. Next is priority booking. Premium members enjoy priority scheduling for mentoring sessions. Then, exclusive webinars. Access to exclusive webinars and advanced workshops is reserved for premium users. Then we have enhanced P2P file sharing, which means increased file sharing size limits and additional security features are available. Next, call recording feature. Premium users can record and review their calls for future reference. Then the ad-free experience. Enjoy an uninterrupted experience with no advertisement. Now, we also have more rewards on answering. Premium members earn additional rewards for their forum contributions. In addition to these models, we also earn commission per mentoring session. This approach ensures that we are incentivized to continuously enhance the value provided to both mentors and mentees and to ourselves also.
So these are some potential challenges and risks. Number first, user engagement and retention. One of the key challenge user face here is low participation from users could hinder the overall effectiveness of the platform. Second, monetization. The challenge here is finding the right balance in our freemium model is crucial for maximizing value while ensuring accessibility. Number third, mentor availability and quality. Here the challenge is maintaining consistent mentor availability is essential for the providing reliable guidance.
Number 4, scalability of the platform. Here the challenge is as demand for our platform grows, scalability becomes a critical concern. Number 5, data security. Challenge is protecting sensitive user data is paramount to maintaining the user trust. Competition. Here the challenge is the market is competitive with numerous platforms offering similar services.
Here are the strategies to overcome challenges. Number 1, enhance user experience. Here we are implementing feedback loops to gather user input and continuously improve the platform. Number 2, mentor quality control. A thorough vetting process is being established to ensure high quality mentors. Number 3, scalable architecture. We are leveraging cloud services to build a scalable architecture.
Number 4, robust security. We have strong encryption and regular security audits are in place to protect our user data. Number 5, freemium optimization. We are using testings to refine our freemium model and we are improving our conversion rate. We have a regular reviews and adjustment check. Number 6, differentiation and branding. We have a unique features that is being developed to set our platforms apart from our competitors.
Now we have feasibility analysis. Let's look at why our mentoring platform is a strong and practical idea. For the technical aspect, our technology fits well with what users need, making our platform both useful and reliable. We have integration with existing tools, that is, we connect easily with popular tools like Calendly, making it simple for users to schedule and join sessions. Next is scalable cloud architecture. Our use of cloud services means we can grow and handle more users smoothly, and we have many more such technical features. In the market aspect, there is a growing demand for career mentoring. More people are looking for career advice, which means there is a big need for our platform. There is a room for innovation as there is a chance to stand out by offering new and unique features in a competitive market.
Here are the impacts of our platform. The first is employability. Users get personalized career advice from experts, helping them to prepare for job opportunities and improve their career paths. And our second impact is monetization. Mentors can earn money through commission-based sessions while also helping mentees grow, creating a win-to-win situation. Our third impact is social impact. We connect underprivileged users with industry experts, promoting equal opportunities and inclusive, fosters innovation. By encouraging idea sharing, collaboration, and discussion through webinars and file sharing, we create a dynamic learning environment that sparks new ideas. Our fifth impact is networking. Our platform helps users to build partnerships and stay updated with real-time industry trends, offering valuable networking opportunities for career growth.
Here's how our platform benefits users and partners. Skill development. Candidates will gain job-relevant skills through thematic mentorship, making them more competitive in the job market. Data protection. With Web3 integration, our platform ensures secure data transactions, transparency, and user privacy, building trust among users. Scalability. Our strong cloud infrastructure and Web3 integration allow the platform to easily scale and support a large number of users, from students to professionals. Corporate alliances. We will partner with companies to share expertise, resources, and opportunities, which will boost business growth and expand mentorship options. Versatility. The platform adapts to various mentorship needs, catering to different career stages, industries, and skill development goals.
Now let me walk you through the data and current metrics we have used for our platform. There is lack of access to mentors. According to a survey by Cronus, 61% of employees report not having access to a mentor. This highlights a significant gap in mentoring opportunities that our platform aims to address. Second is demand for digital mentoring. Research from MentorClickU shows that 83% of employees prefer digital mentoring solutions with real-time communication options. This demonstrates a strong preference for accessible and immediate mentoring, which a platform is designed to provide. These insights underscore the need for a platform that bridges the mentoring gap and meets the demand for digital solution. And let me tell you, these are the articles from our research and these are the latest reports. Our project represents more than just a tool for career success. It's a bridge to opportunities, a catalyst for growth, and a driver of innovation in professional development. As we continue to refine and scale, we are committed to making mentoring more accessible, impactful, and personalized. This platform is not just a solution for today, it's a vision for a future where career guidance is available to everyone, everywhere, with just a click. So this is our amazing team. Thank you, Team Helium,